Hey friends, hi, I'm Kushbu.
Hello friends, myself Surendra,
Welcome to our channel Gulf Job Station.
where we bring jobs from the Gulf region, especially from the UAE, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Kuwait, and Qatar.
Though we were not active since long time and there was some gap because of some personal reasons, but now we are here in front of you with some more requirements. So if you are our new subscribers or followers, here we want to tell you about us, who we are. So basically, we are a team of Gulf Job Station where we bring the requirements for GCC region. All the requirements here, whatever we normally brings are recent. We do not use any mediator or we do not charge any cost. So
Free of cost job post you will see here. There's no mediator or the third party here. So directly jobs from the company portals and fresh jobs you will get here. All the recent openings we announce normally without charges, and the needy people who are looking for job in the GCC region or area can apply based on their, of course, the profile match, the experience and education match. They can choose the requirements, and there are certain requirements which you may not see, and you are looking, you may post or recommend through the comments, and we'll try to bring it through this channel, and we'll announce if you're looking for some specific industry opportunity, or some specific industry. You can reach out to us through the comments, and we'll try to bring those opportunities for you.
So today again we are here in front of you with Saudi Arabia and UAE requirements. Here most of the requirements are related to oil and gas and engineering. So if you are interested, you can apply for these requirements for this job directly. So here we are going to cover so many companies, different companies, different countries. So directly
And industries also.
And with each and every requirement, we are going to share the email ID where you can share your CV directly.
So you may note down the details. Be ready with your diary and pen.
And if you have any doubt and confusion, you can write down on the comment. We'll try to reply you there. So now let's not waste your time. Directly start.
You may pause the video, if you want to write the email ID and all.
Or take a screenshot also.
Yeah, or you can take the screenshot, because email ID, right email ID, correct email ID is very, very important. If you make the mistake in the email ID, your CV or documents will not reach to the
right address.
Yeah, to the company or employer.
So now let's talk about the requirement. So we have so many requirements. So today the first slide we are starting with Abu Dhabi UAE location.
The organization name is CPECC. Urgent requirement for immediate available candidates. We are hiring for our projects in Abu Dhabi UAE. Site based. First requirement is painting and coating inspector, and the mandatory field they have mentioned is 5+ years of experience, which is must, and ADNOC, AD and OC. ADNOC experience is must. Candidates immediately should be available to join immediately, and they will be preferred. Whoever available to join immediately will be preferred. And do mention the position title in the subject line when you apply, and how you can apply. Now this is the important thing which everybody like to know. So there is an email ID provided by them, which is
recruitment@cpecc.ae. So here recruitment recruitment@cpecc.ae, which you can see on the screen. So my name is Reliance Electromechanical Plumbing Contracting Company LLC. In short, we call it REMCO.
Ramco.
Position, they have open position for HVAC draftsman, industry, MEP. They have requirement for first requirement they have for HVAC draftsman. Second requirement they have for storekeeper. For HVAC draftsman, only one requirement is there, and for storekeeper they have two requirements. Industry again MEP. Must have minimum 5 to 8 years of experience.
Of UAE, that too.
MEP industry experience is mandatory, should be available in UAE. This is the condition they mention here. How to apply for this job? Email ID is right in front of you, which is
jobs@ramco-uae.com,
which you can see on the screen also. When you apply for this job, please do mention the position name on the in the subject line. If you are applying for HVAC draftsman, you can simply write down there for the position of HVAC draftsman. Now, and also you have to mention your current location, visa status, expected salary, and notice period on the mail body. So
yeah, okay. These are the very important small things, but very important.
So now
to filter or send your CV directly to them.
Now let's talk about the third requirement of this video.
So third requirement is again from UAE, Abu Dhabi. They are urgently hiring. Company name is Capital Engineering Consultancy. Positions are ELV design engineer, and experience is 6+ years, which they have mentioned. Electrical design engineer, 4+ years of experience. Electrical design drafting, 3+ years of experience. ELV design or drafting, 3+ years of experience they need. Lead structural engineer, 8+ years of experience. Structural engineer, 5+ years of experience. Structural draftsman, 3+ years of experience. Senior QS estimator, 6+ of years of experience. QS engineer, 3+ years of experience. MEP QS engineer, 3+ years of experience. FLS draftsman, 3+ years, and HVAC design engineer, 4+. Mechanical draftsman, 2+ years of experience. Experience in the building projects, this is important. So experience will be considered if it is in the building projects. Interested candidates, whoever have the similar experience, education matching to the roles profiles, they can apply. Interested candidates who meet the above criteria are encouraged to send their updated CV to the email ID which they have mentioned, which is career@capitaleng.com. We are spelling it out for you: career@capitaleng.com, which you can see on the screen also, with the subject line indicating the position you are applying for. There is a note also they have mentioned: shortlisted candidates, only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. Let's move on to the next requirement.
So the next requirement here, the company name is Fabrics. So Fabrics vacancies, they have many requirements. The first requirement they have for project manager, high rise and facade experience. Second requirement they have for construction manager, high rise and facade experience. Third requirement they have for project engineer. Next is for site engineer. Next is for logistic manager, construction experience required here. Next requirement they have for land surveyor. Next is for senior QS. Then junior QS, HSC manager, architectural draftsman, electrical tower crane technician. Next is for mechanical tower crane technician. Next is for BIM coordinator, BIM modeler, BIM draftsman, junior internal auditor, and the last one is for senior accountant and junior accountant. So these are the requirements for Fabrics.
So now how to apply? This is the thing which is very important. Email ID they have mentioned for all these position, whichever is matching to your profile you can apply. by sending the CV to this email ID, which is careers@fiberxholding.com. Spelling it out for you: careers@fibrexholding.com. This is the email ID to share the CV for any of these positions which we have recently announced. Wish you all the very best. Let's move on to the next requirement. Next requirement is from
Zuhair Fayaz
Partnership.
Faiz, F-A-Y.
Zubair Faiz Partnership Consultants. This is the organization.
So here the first condition is they are looking for immediate joiners. So now let's talk about the requirement. Location, they have Riyadh, which is in Saudi Arabia, KSA.
Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, KSA. So now let's talk about the requirements. They have many requirements.
Long list is there, so we'll take you through one by one.
So first requirement they have for civil engineer, second is for architect, third requirement they have for mechanical engineer.
Then they have electrical engineer requirement, HSE officer, civil inspector, mechanical inspector, architectural inspector, electrical inspector. So this is the list of openings
with Zuhair Faiz Partnership Consulting. For all the requirement they have they need minimum 5 years of experience. Okay, job location we already mentioned. Now how to apply for this job? Email ID. Let's talk about the email ID. So email ID is hrcv@zfp.com.
One more thing which is very important, you need to mention the job title in the subject line when you apply, because there are multiple openings announced by this organization. So wish you all the best. If you have matching your profile matching to any of these, do apply. Let's move on to the next requirement. Next organization and its requirements. Again, the openings we have are from Saudi Arabia, Riyadh itself. Job opportunities in Riyadh. Company is DAR Engineering, DAR. DAR Engineering is looking for skilled and talented technical design engineers with experience in the design environments, and they are actively considering candidates for all these positions, which we will take you through one by one. Civil design engineer, structural design engineer, geotechnical engineer, utilities design engineer, instrumentation design engineer, telecom design engineer. All these openings are from DAR Engineering, and they are looking, basically the criteria which they have mentioned is all, in short we'll tell you
what we are looking for. Knowledge of technical standards and codes. We need engineers or architects who have in-depth knowledge in the application of Saudi Arabia building SPC codes and regulations, international building IBC codes and standards. Third point is safety in design, construction best practices, and CSE specification system. CSI specification system. So these are, they believe that people applying for these positions should know all these things. Since it is a technical profile, they must be aware of all these, technical stuff. Key knowledge and experience which they are expecting, and the experience label is 10 plus years of experience after the graduation. Of course, the graduation is mandatory here. 5 years experience in KSA as a technical professional practitioner. And qualification and requirements, again they have mentioned here: bachelor's degree in engineering from recognized university, must have previous experience in design environment, sound and effective communication in English.
So they need a strong communication.
If you know Arabic, then
it is a bonus.
How to apply? If you fulfill the all the criteria, you are encouraged to send your updated CV
at this
to
email ID, which is careers@dar-engineering.com, which you
Now.
can see on the screen also.
Okay. So this is the requirement for DAR engineering. Now let's move on to the next requirement.
So all right, let's move on to the next requirement.
Next requirement we have with KEC International Limited, a global infrastructure
EPC major and RPG group company is looking for experienced professionals for its transmission and distribution T&D project in UAE, Saudi Arabia. Interested candidates.
UAE and Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
So in both
so
locations,
both locations, both countries basically.
both countries, yes, they have requirements.
United Arab Emirat and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. They have openings for both countries. Interested candidates, please contact us and send CV at the email ID, which we will tell you later. First, let's move on to the details which we have. Project managers, transmission line project based at Saudi. Work experience 15 plus years of experience. Qualification BE electrical full time. Construction managers, transmission line projects based at Saudi. Work experience 12 plus years of experience. Qualification BE in electrical engineering, that too full time. Managers, senior manager, design assess, which is substation basically. So project based it's Saudi or Dubai. Work experience 15 to 20 years of experience. Qualification BE electrical full time. Next requirement is manager, senior manager, design TL transmission line. Project based at Saudi, Dubai. Work experience required is 15 to 20 years of experience. Qualification BE electrical full time. Then they have design managers, civil substation project based at Saudi, Dubai. Work experience 15 plus years of experience. Qualification BE civil full time. Then they have design managers requirement, electrical substation project based at Saudi, Dubai. Work experience 15 plus years of experience. Qualification BE electrical full time. And then they have the design manager requirement, foundation, that is again transmission line project based at Saudi, Dubai. Work experience 15 plus years of experience. BE civil full time. And then they have requirement for design manager piling, again transmission line, project based at Saudi, Dubai. Work experience 15 plus years. Qualification BE civil full time. And the next requirement is design manager structural transmission line project based at Saudi, Dubai. Work experience 15 plus years of experience. Qualification BE electrical civil full time. So these are the openings requirements from KEC International Limited. Now how to apply? So they have mentioned the email ID, which is careersint, spelling it out for you, CARERSINT@kecrpg.com. It is visible on the screen as well, so you may pause and write it down properly. And if you have your education, qualification, experience matching to these openings and you are willing to apply, you have everything, profile and email ID, everything. So please do apply. Wish you all the very best. And let's move on to the next requirement now.
So the next requirement they have for Saudi Arabia, company name is
Dasman, Ajlan and Bros basically. So Dasman, Ajlan and Bros is hiring, and there's a long list of opening. Location is Saudi Arabia, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We'll take you through the openings.
They have many requirements. Now let's talk about it. The first requirement they have for project director. Second requirement is for FMC project manager. Third one is for ICT consultant. Fourth requirement they have for CAFM consultant. Next is for commercial consultant. Next is for QHSE consultant. Seventh is for FMC document controller. Next is for translator,
Arabic to English translator basically.
Next is for hard service consultant.
and then they have opening for civil consultant, and they also have opening for housekeeping consultant, soft service consultant, landscaping consultant, and agriculture consultant. So all these openings are from Desmond, Aslan and Bros. And how to apply? For that they have provided their email ID, which is careers@desmond-aslanbros.com, spelling it out for you, careers@DUSSMANN-AJLANBROS.com. So this is the email ID. It is already written on the screen, so do not get confused. Pause it, write it down, and if you have your profile education matching to any of these openings and you are willing to apply, do apply. Wish you all the very best.
So for this kind of information, for this kind of jobs, please do not forget to subscribe our channel. If you feel this video, this channel is useful for you, please click on the like button and you can ask the questions on comment section. And please,
if you are in good position, already in good position, you may share these requirements, so these requirements will reach to the needy people. They can get benefited. And if you like the content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much.
thanks for watching. Good
Wish
luck.
you all the very best in your career, and see you soon with more such openings and requirements from GCC. Till then, take care. Bye bye.